Easy Tribe, this is Guzi and welcome to this free tutorial on using Ableton's operator to make bass sounds. I'm just going to be opening it up basically and making as many different bass sounds as I can in a few minutes. I haven't pre-prepared any sounds at all for this tutorial because I'm just going to show you how quick and simple it should be to use operator to get some interesting sub bass sounds for your drum and bass tracks. So double click operator and it will load up in a MIDI channel, and the default patch is just one oscillator with a sine wave running. And just using the one oscillator we can make quite a few tweaks to this sound. We've got the tuning section here, the coarse tune and the fine tune. We've got the oscillator section here where we can actually add harmonics if we want. And that can get very interesting. We've already got something pretty cool from doing that. So I might move on to another one, to be honest. Sine wave, we can go onto the oscillator section here and pick any number of waves. Comes with sine waves, squares, saws, a triangle and some white noise as well as this user one where you can basically just draw your own wave in, and that can sound pretty crazy sometimes. But if I just load a blank patch in, what I'm going to do here is make a sound using two oscillators. To turn one of the other oscillators on, or to hear it because they're already turned on, just click here and then bring the volume up, and then whatever oscillator you click on you can change the wavetable for it independently, and then you can tune them independently as well. And then we've also got a pitch envelope option, which can sound pretty good sometimes. And basically the sort of workflow that I have with operator is I experiment until I get something that sounds cool to my ears, and then I just move on and I'll just make 5 to 10 sounds all at once, and then I'll just bounce them into audio files, and then I've got a pack of sounds that I can make into a tune very quickly and easily that are all my own. It's also got a built-in filter which can be very useful. If you want to just turn your sound into a sub, just low pass it. You've also got an LFO which you can put to any of the oscillators or to the filter. So yeah, like, it's a very simple synth, and I think it gets overlooked a lot, and I think it should get used a lot more often because in a matter of minutes you can make loads of really cool sounds. Right, enjoy using Operator. Peace.